In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for Google Shopping Search, fast and easy. If you've ever wondered how to gain insights into what's trending or find the ideal time for your product announcements, Google Trends is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. Let's dive in and take a step-by-step journey to mastering Google Trends for leveraging shopping insights. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Trends and hit Enter. Among the top search results, you'll find a link to the official Google Trends page. Go ahead and click on that link. Once the page loads, we are ready to start exploring. On the Google Trends homepage, look for the Explore tab prominently displayed. Clicking on Explore will take you to the heart of Google Trends, where all the data streamlines await your command. Here, you're going to enter a keyword into the search bar, something relevant to the product or service you are interested in. Examples could be wireless earbuds, gaming laptop, smartwatch, or kitchen blender. Type in your chosen keyword and press Enter. This simple action will generate a trend graph for your keyword. Now the wealth of data begins to unfold. You'll want to customize this data to suit your needs by setting location and language filters. These filters allow you to specify a target country or region, ensuring the results are more aligned with your market. Don't forget to use the distinction between search term and topic to garner the most precise results for your intentions. Next, direct your attention to the time range settings. These settings are crucial for understanding the temporal dynamics of your keyword. For insights into recent search interests, the past 12 months option might be best. For those seeking to analyze long-term patterns, consider viewing data across the past 5 years. With the basics set, start analyzing the trend graph. This visual representation will help you determine when interest in your product peaks or dips. Such insights can be invaluable in identifying optimal buying seasons or spotting emerging product trends. Scrolling down the page, you will find sections for related topics and related queries. This area is especially useful in discovering other trending items or variations that could complement your Google shopping strategy. Use the findings here as inspiration for advertising, product descriptions, or content ideas. Finally, if you have multiple keywords in mind, you can easily compare them. Simply click on Plus Compare to add another term. This feature is instrumental in understanding relative demand across different products in Google Shopping. Once you've set everything up and examined the data, scroll down to see the cumulative results. This comprehensive view of data and trends will provide you with the strategic insight needed to optimize your Google Shopping efforts effectively. And that wraps up our tutorial on using Google Trends for Google Shopping. I hope you found this guide not only informative but also empowering. Happy trend hunting, and may your products shine brightly on Google Shopping.